In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Woocommerce plugin in WordPress, guiding you through the entire process to ensure you can create and manage your own online store seamlessly. First, let's start by installing the Woocommerce plugin on your WordPress site, which is a crucial step to get your online store up and running. To do this, head over to your WordPress dashboard and find the Plugins option on the left-hand menu. Click on it to navigate to the Add New button. Here, you'll enter Woocommerce in the search bar, and once it appears in the list of results, go ahead and click Install Now. Wait just a moment for the installation to complete, and then hit Activate to enable Woocommerce on your site. With Woocommerce activated, the Setup wizard will automatically launch. The Setup wizard is designed to simplify the setup process by walking you through all the essential steps required to configure your store. It will first ask you to enter your store's location, currency, and main product types. Pay particular attention to the currency settings to ensure all transactions align with your business needs. After that, you'll input your preferred payment methods. Woocommerce supports a wide range of payment gateways, including PayPal and credit cards, so choose the ones that best suit your store's requirements. Moving on to configuring your shipping options, the wizard will guide you in setting shipping zones and rates. Whether you're offering free shipping, flat rates, or real-time calculations, take the time to reflect on what works best for your customers and your business model. Setting up these options correctly is key to providing a smooth experience for your shoppers. After finalizing shipping, you'll be prompted to install recommended plugins. These suggestions are tailored to provide added functionality and resources, such as tax calculation or marketing tools, to enhance your store. Once the Setup wizard has completed, it's time to add your first product. Navigate to the Products tab and click Add New. Here, you'll enter the title, description, price, and imagery of your product. It's important to use high-quality images and detailed descriptions, as this will help attract potential customers to your store. Don't forget to set your product's category and tags for better organization and SEO optimization. After entering all the information, preview the product carefully, and once satisfied, go ahead and hit Publish. Now that your Woocommerce store is up and running, it's important to routinely check your site's performance. Monitor analytics frequently to understand your audience better and adjust your marketing strategies accordingly. Utilize Woocommerce extensions to expand your store's capabilities, from enhancing security measures to technical SEO optimizations. Remember, the world of e-commerce is vast and ever-changing, and with Woocommerce, you have a flexible, robust platform to adapt and grow your business. Thank you for tuning in today to learn how to use the Woocommerce plugin in WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and joining the community for more tips and insights.